So first things first, we got apples. Let's make some apple cider. So with this fruit press, first we have to shred the apples. Since I don't have an apple shredder or crusher, I use a blender. Once we finish blending all the apples into an uncooked applesauce, we then put them in this net, which holds all that mash together as we press it, and it doesn't come out the sides. This is the best part, because you actually see the fruits of your labor. Or to be more accurate, you can see the juice of the fruits of your labor. We had a total of 2 bushels of apples here, and that gave us 5 gallons of juice. We had to repeat the process more than several times. My apple press is not that big, and 2 bushels of apples is a lot of apples. But we didn't care. This was fun, and it tasted delicious. At this point, it's time to test the original gravity of the juice. To do this, I'm going to use a hydrometer. This requires me to take some of the apple juice and let my hydrometer float. This will tell me exactly what the original gravity is. To begin the fermentation process, I'll just need to add some yeast. There are millions of different yeast strands, but I'm just using a cider mead yeast. After adding the yeast, I'm going to just put the lid on and then add this little bubbler. Look at those little bubbles. That's really good news.